Hi everybody, Master Kelly here at Dojo Go. In this video today, we're gonna practice how to use nunchucks, right? Okay, now, if you are interested in getting a 6-week program on how to use nunchucks, I'll even send these nunchucks to you. Just click the links down below. Without further ado, let's get started. Chariot? Kanye. Awesome, good. All right, so the way we warm up with nunchucks is we're gonna hold it on one hand just like this. Now when we hold it, okay, I want you guys to hold it kind of close to the rope, right? See how I'm holding it close to the rope? Now, the reason why you wanna do this is because if you're like this, it's gonna start swinging all over the place. So you want it really close. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 10 seconds of forward rotations and 10 seconds of backward rotations, okay? So we're gonna go forward first. Ready, everyone repeat after me. I'm gonna say hana, doer, set, net, toss it, yas it, igop, yeder, ahop, yeah, awesome, good job you guys. Let's go backwards now. Everyone say hana, doer, set, net, toss it, yas it, igop, yeder, ahop, yeah, good job you guys. All right, let's do the other hand this time. We're gonna go forwards. Ready, everyone say hana, doer, set, net, toss it, yas it, igop, yeder, ahop, yeah, awesome, good. Now we're gonna go backwards now. Everyone say hana, doer, set, net, toss it, yas it, igop, yeder, ahop, yeah, excellent job you guys. Have 5. Awesome, good. Now, one thing I want you guys to be aware of, when you're using nunchucks, okay, it is a weapon. So you gotta be really careful. So make sure there's nothing, no person, no thing around you like we do with all of our videos. Make sure you're keeping an eye out, okay? Now, first combination we're gonna practice, we're gonna hold it in one hand like this. Now, you should probably pick your stronger hand. So if you'd like to color with your right hand or write with your right hand, I would start with your right hand, okay? So we're gonna hold it on the side like this. We're gonna practice a triangle pattern. So you're gonna take this one, you're gonna go up on your shoulder, 1, then we're gonna go across, 2, and then back on this side, 3, okay? Now when I'm doing this, right, you notice I'm taking this end of the nunchuck and I'm almost kind of like pushing it. I'm pushing it on my hip, pushing it on my hip. That way you're not like hitting yourself, right? You should wrap around your body. So good nunchuck practitioners, they have it wrap around their body, okay? So let's do it together. Ready? Everyone say hana, doer, set. Good job you guys again. And hana, doer, set. Awesome, good. Again, hana, doer, set. Good job. One more time. Ready? Hana, doer, set. Awesome, good job you guys. All right, now let's go ahead and switch to the other hand. We're gonna go on this shoulder this time. So we're gonna go here. Hana, doer, set. Awesome, good job you guys again. Hana, doer, set. Awesome, good job again. Hana, doer, set. Good job, 2 more times. Ready? Hana, doer, set. Good job, 1 more time. Ready? Hana, doer, set. Awesome, good job. You guys have 5. Awesome. All right, would you guys like to play a game? I don't believe you. Say yes sir loud. Awesome, good. All right, here's the game we're gonna play. So we're gonna hold our nunchucks over our shoulder like this. Now what's gonna happen is that there's gonna be some fruit being thrown at us, like kind of like Fruit Ninja, okay? And we're gonna hit across, 1, right? And then when it comes down low, 2. Then when it comes up high again, 3, okay? So we're doing that triangle pattern, okay? You guys ready? And here it comes, ready? Hana, doer, set. Awesome, good job you guys again. Hana, doer, set. Awesome, good job you guys. Oh, don't hit your head, ready? Hana, doer, set. Good job you guys, 1 more time, ready? Hana, doer, set. Awesome, good job you guys, have 5. Awesome, now we're gonna do the other side now, so switch to the other hand. Awesome, we're gonna hit the fruit coming this way now, ready? Fruit Ninja style, ready? Let's say hana, doer, set. Awesome, good job again, ready? Hana, doer, set. Awesome, good job you guys again, hana, doer, set. Good, nice, good, 1 more time, ready? Hana, doer, set. Awesome, good job you guys, have 5. Awesome, very, very good. Okay, all right, now this time, we're gonna take the nunchuck like this, and we're gonna practice a pass. Now this move's a little tricky, so I'm gonna show you guys really carefully. So, we're gonna take this one and put it over our shoulder like this. Now, you see how the nunchuck's kind of behind my back? You're gonna take the other hand, and you're gonna go ahead and find it like this. Now, I know sometimes it's like hiding, and you're like, where is it? Put it right here, right? Just kind of move your hand over, and then grab this one, okay? Now, Once you're in this position, you're going to let go of the top one. Okay, hold on to this one, but let go of the top one. Okay, see, like that. Now from here, you're gonna go on the other shoulder. Okay, and then same thing, take this hand, go across your body, grab it like this, let go of the top one, just like that, go on this shoulder, right? So again, I go here, across the body, let go, over this shoulder, right? And then this one, go across the body, let go, on this shoulder. Yeah, not bad, and it's okay. If you're struggling, it's okay. Try your best. Just remember, if you can't catch it, go right here, and make sure you don't go behind your back, okay? Go in front like this. Here, let go, come here, okay? Awesome. Now, let's try that a little faster if you can keep up. Now, again, I don't want you to get discouraged, right? If I'm going really fast and you're like getting frustrated, okay, don't worry. I've done this for a decade. You know how long that is? That's 10 years, okay? So don't worry about it. You're gonna get, here's the thing. If you're consistent, doesn't matter what it is in life, anything that you're consistent at, okay, you're bound to get better if you don't stop, right? So if you keep trying, you're gonna make a little progress. Now, your progress might look different than someone else's, okay? And I don't want you to compare yourself to me or compare yourself to anyone else. In fact, you should never do that, right? Only compare yourself to how you were yesterday, okay? If you make that your goal in life, where you're always thinking, all right, how can I be better than I was the last time I tried? Then you're always gonna make progress, because guess what? You're always gonna improve. Okay, as long as you keep trying and you put 100% effort, okay? So we're gonna take this one, we're gonna go over the shoulder, we're gonna pass, and then we're gonna go right to the other side. Boom. And then pass, boom. Pass, boom. Pass, boom. Pass, boom. Nice, awesome. All right, you guys ready to play a game with this one? Okay, so here's the game we're gonna play. So now this time, we're gonna start like in this position. Now, there's going to be a baseball thrown directly at us, right? So what we're gonna do is we're going to hit it like we're hitting a home run, bang, just like that. And then we're gonna go for the next one, same thing, it's gonna come right at us, bang, okay? We're gonna do those, okay? All right, ready? Here it comes, get set, and go, hit, bang. Awesome, good job, you guys. All right, get ready, and hit. Good job, awesome. Make sure you have plenty of space, don't hit anybody. Okay, ready? Come right here, and bang. Good, awesome, good, try to hit your head. Okay, be careful of that one, ready? And bang. Awesome, good job, good. See, I even hit my own head. Ready, one more time, ready, hit. Awesome, good job, you guys. Very good job, high five. Awesome, all right, now the last thing we're gonna do today is we're gonna combine the triangle pattern with the pass. Okay, so I'll show you how to do it. We'll do it really slowly together. So again, hold it with your favorite hand. Could be your right hand or your left hand. Go over the shoulder, 1, across this hip, 2, other hip, 3. Now, once we're here, we're going to go up again, but now we're going to grab it, right? So we're grabbing it here, and then we're going on this side now, right? You see how we switch sides? Okay, now make sure when you're grabbing it, grab it with your thumb up, right? So thumb should be up, shouldn't be down like this. Thumb up, okay? So if you're struggling with that, maybe that's why, okay? Watch your grip. So here, go across a hip, up, and then you grab, let go of the top one, go on this shoulder, here, and up. Awesome, good job, you guys, again. And here, and up. Good, again, one more time, right? And go here, up. Awesome, good job, you guys, high five. Awesome, good. All right, we're gonna do one final game today. This game is called the helicopter game, okay? Now, if you're holding your nunchuck, right, there's a chance it might hit your head, okay? Bonk, might happen, okay? Now, it's not a big deal. This is soft, it's foam. Does it mean it hurts? Does it mean it doesn't hurt? Yeah, it does hurt, okay? So that means you shouldn't hit anybody with it. But when we practice this drill, what we're going to do, like we did at the beginning of class, how we spun it here, we're gonna spin it above our head, okay? Now, the thing with this is that when you start to feel like you're getting tired, when you start to feel like, I'm gonna make a mistake, put it to the side of you, okay? Just make sure there's no one next to you, okay? So we're gonna hold this here. Now the goal is, we're gonna try to spin above our head for 30 seconds, okay? So I'm gonna set the timer, 30 seconds. Okay, you guys ready? All right, on your mark, get set, go. Good, 30 seconds. There you go, hold it above your head. Make sure you don't drop, don't slow down. If you slow down, that's how you're gonna get hit in the head. Good job, good. Halfway there, you guys, 15 seconds left. Good. This is gonna help you get really good arm strength, okay? So if you feel a little burn in your arm, that's okay. That means you're gonna get tougher, you're gonna get stronger. Awesome, 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good job, awesome. All right, we're gonna do the other side. We'll do 10-second rest. Hope you guys are enjoying this lesson. I know I am, this is really fun. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. Good job, 30 seconds. Good, 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 good. Keep it up, keep it up. Careful, don't hit yourself. If you did, I'm sorry. Good, oh, I see, I'm slowing down. Oh, I gotta go to the side too. My left side's not as good as my right. 10 seconds left. Good, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Awesome, very good job, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this nunchuck lesson. If you did and you want to keep learning it from me over the next 6 weeks, click the links down below. And like I said, parents, your kids will be getting their own pair of nunchucks. So if you guys sign up, you get your own pair of nunchucks, included with a bonus too. At the end of 6 weeks, right, you're going to be passing a nunchuck exam. So I'm going to give you an exam on Zoom. If you pass the nunchuck exam, I'm going to give you a special nunchuck headband. Okay, so if you're interested in that, that sounds really cool for you, click the links down below. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and God bless you. See y'all next time.